Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is horrible weather outside, but you know, I haven't done a talking IG story for a while, so I thought I would do one and give you just a little bit of a, I don't know if you see my last story, but there was a car literally 1 second ahead of me. Came through the same traffic lights and it got absolutely destroyed in this sea of water, and we couldn't see it because the clouds were so dark. It was still dark and like night time. So yeah, I'm thankful that I'm alive, well, my car is good. Just picked up my McDonald's and I'm going to enjoy this and have a good day at work. So y'all have a fabulous weekend. Bye!